Hey everybody, I got a request from one of my subscribers to talk about some of the tougher divorce scenarios that I've seen. So here goes. Now, every case is fact specific, and there is no universal truth. Some cases are much harder than others and might not fit this paradigm. But I just want to give you a quick little overview of things that create a ton of problems in divorce, a ton of problems in marriage. So here we go. Number one, untreated, unresolved mental health issues. Wow. It just multiplies all the potential problems you could imagine going through a divorce with someone who has unresolved, untreated mental health issues. It's through no fault of yours, but that goes with the vetting process, and it's really can be a problem that you cannot imagine. It could lead to long, drawn out, expensive litigation unnecessarily. So, untreated mental health issues. A subset of that is untreated, out of control drug habit. All right, that's kind of part of that mental health issues. If someone's addicted to drugs, whether they're illicit or prescription or painkillers or whatever, yikes. Yeah, that could be a real problem. Here's another couple mental health related ones. If you are in the unfortunate position of having married a narcissist, holy smokes, could be a barn burner. Over what? Over very little. People will litigate hundreds of thousands of dollars over a fraction of that value over stupid issues. Don't fall into that trap. All right. Here's another couple things I want you to think about, not universal truths. Sometimes people who start a company together or work together, if they are all of a sudden not getting along and getting divorced and they both depend upon that company for income, it can get ugly. You know, you have people who don't like each other and, or worse, working together. And now there have been cases where people will continue to work together after their divorce or after someone files for divorce and they work together successfully. Those are the exceptions to the rule, but you should know they do exist. And those two people are healthy and mature, and probably they have a significant other in their life, both of them, because sometimes when one person has a great significant other and the other one feels left out or jealous, there's a lot of things that come into play. But you might want to think about whether or not you want to marry someone that you're also either in a company with or working with. That can be really sticky at divorce time. Okay. If someone has a victim mentality in your marriage, man, that's never really a pleasant way to get out of that marriage. It's going to come back and haunt you. So those are some of the more difficult cases. Those mental health issues, and I'm not a mental health expert, but and you see these things cropping up before you get married, abandon ship. Okay, abandon ship. I mean, you don't want to go down in a bad ball of flames like that. All right, trying to keep you out of my office. All right, vet carefully. And be careful out there. If somebody you know needs to see this, share it with them. Just a final tip. There's no law that says you have to get married. You could have a great, intimate, phenomenal, playful relationship without bringing state law in to dictate what happens to you, your assets, your children, in the event someone files for divorce. Just saying, all right? Check with local legal counsel. They'll give you the details. Be careful out there.